What's up, guys? Today we will be doing a squishy check, so let's get to it. Alright, so first off, ginormous dumpling. Squishy, squishy. Big dumpling. Okay, that's the first one. Let's get to the second one. Very hard. Neato. Yep. And we have this one. Very satisfying. I like it to squish. It's kind of like shaving cream of it. And we have this colorful one. This one. Yeah. It's pretty cool. And then we have this dumpling. It's kind of deflated a bit because it kind of popped. And then we have this Tabba squishy. This pepper. Kind of like sand in it. And this rain droplet. And this peanut. This squishy like the homemade squishy that we made. And this white ball. Yep. And this red squishy bear. And then we have this new one. It's like, I don't know what it is. I'm kind of thinking that it's like a clear squishy. And then we have this fuzz ball. It's very satisfying. And you have the creeper filled with Orbeez. I don't know why they're hard. They're like hard Orbeez. And then we have this water ball, I guess. And then you have this bear. And then the last thing you should always do when you're stressed out, take a breath. Oh my God. Take a deep breath. That's what you should honestly do all the time. So when you're stressed, just take a deep breath. All right, we out. Peace, guys.